How to make attractive smartphone photos. This short video shows how to make 2 of Madeline Poon's photos more attractive. There are 3 other tips in a longer YouTube video. The 2 photography tips in Madeline's photos are to remove distractions and ensuring the horizon is horizontal. Smartphones take excellent photos. I mean, they are qualified to be stock photos accepted by Shutterstock. Poor quality ones are rejected. Some of my Shutterstock photos are smartphone photos from other contributors. Adobe Photoshop and Lightroom make the photos prettier. Adobe Premiere Pro and CapCut create this video. Thanks to Madeline Poon for her great photos. The 5 case studies are on YouTube. Text 6596686 for 68 if you wish to view it. Dr. Singkon Yuen, the 12th of December 2023.